Hello children, welcome to your English literature class. Children, today we will revise lesson number 9. Granny Granny, please comb my hair. So, open page number 120 of your English workbook and let's read meanings. Children, you have to repeat after me. Granny, short form of grandmother. Care, to look after. Cushion, a bag of cloth filled with a soft material to sit on or rest again. Knee, the part of the leg where it bends in the middle. Gentle, not strong. I hope you are repeating after me, children. Breeze, a light wind. World, the earth with all countries and people. Nice, good. Children, write down these meanings in your notebook and learn. Write with good cursive handwriting. Okay, children? Now see, encircle the members of a family. Let's read the names: grandfather, father, and friends. So, who are our family members? Yes, father and father's father is called grandfather. So, encircle both the words grandfather and father. Next, mother, neighbors, grandmother. So, our family members' names are mother and grandmother. Grandmother means mother's mother or father's mother. Gardener, uncle, and sister. So, family members are called uncles and sister. So, encircle uncle and sister. Brother, milkman, and aunt. Brother and aunt are called our family members. Now see below, tick the correct answer and fill in the blanks. First, Granny makes the girl sit on a dash. On what? Chair, knee. Yes, it is cushion. Second, Granny rubs a little dash oil on the girl's head, and it is olive oil, mustard oil, coconut oil, or jasmine oil. Yes, and the correct answer is coconut oil. Third, Granny parts the girl's hair gently as a dash, as a rain, breeze, wind, or sunshine. And the correct answer is breeze, as gentle as breeze. Children, you need to learn this poem and write down in your notebook. Then you will be able to give each and every answer. Okay? Now see below. Answer the following questions. Children, repeat all the answers after me. What does the little girl want her granny to do? The little girl wants her granny to comb her hair. Second, why does the little girl want her granny to comb her hair? The little girl wants her granny to comb her hair because she always takes care of her. She means granny always takes care of her. Her means little girls. Third, what does granny rub on her hair? Granny rubs a little coconut oil on her hair. Fourth question. What does Granny say on turning the little girl's head? On turning the little girl's head, Granny says, "Now who is a nice girl?" Does the little girl love her granny? Yes, the little girl loves her granny. We all love our granny, right? Yes, we should love and respect our elders. Sixth question. Do you love your grandparents? Yes, I love my grandparents. Children, write down these question answers in your notebook with good cursive handwriting and learn. Word castle. Fill in the missing letters and complete the words. First, BR-ZE. As you can see in the picture, the word is breeze. BREEZE. Second, knees. 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 Third, world. WORLD. Fourth, cushion. CUSHION. Fifth, little. LITTLE. Sixth, care. CARE. Seventh, coconut. COCONUT. Eighth, nice. NICE. Ninth, gentle. GENTLE. Tenth, comb. COMB. Children, write down these spellings in your notebook and learn phonetically. Now, grammar focus. Some words are used in place of naming words. For example, it, I, he, she, my, you, her, him, his, we, they, and them. Children, these words are called as, yes, we have already learned this, pronouns. Yes? So, replace the bold words with words used in place of naming words. Words used in place of nouns. Write the words in the boxes. So, you have to write the pronoun for the noun given. Understood? First sentence is Neha is sick. Neha must go to the doctor. Now here, Neha, this name is written two times. In first sentence, Neha is sick. And second sentence, Neha must go to the doctor. So here we can replace Neha name with she. Because Neha is girl, so we can write she. So we read as Neha is sick. She must go to the doctor. Second, Ishu and Ritu are friends. Ishu and Ritu are playing football. Instead of Ishu and Ritu, we can write they. They are playing football. Third, Minnie has a cat. The cat is very cute. Minnie has a cat. It is very cute because cat is animal, so we use it for non-living things and animals. Fourth, I am Megha. This is Megha's house. So here we write pronoun my. This is my house. Fifth, Mohit is my friend. Mohit likes dancing. Mohit is a boy, name of boy. So we use pronoun yes, he. He likes dancing. Sohan and I are good at mathematics. Sohan and I study together. We can use pronoun we over here. We study together. 7. Gitu and Gitu's mother are going to the market. Gitu and her mother are going to the market. 8. Reenu and Meenu are my sisters. I love Reenu and Meenu. I love them. 9. He is Vikas. Do you like Vikas? Do you like him? 10th. Rohan likes to paint. His paintings are beautiful. That's all for today's class. Children, do write the question answers and meanings in your notebook and learn. Thank you. Goodbye.